So, hello everyone, my name is Sonis Nath and I welcome you all to my yet another video. And in this video, the topic or the content in this video, I am not going to talk about any coding problem. Rather, I will be talking or sharing about my thoughts that came to my mind 2 days before. So I started solving lead code, and I must say that the lead code is awesome for preparing the coding interview and just to practicing some coding techniques. And the to solve after solving any lead code questions, I want to store these questions in a single folder. That means a folder containing the question and the question statement, problem statement, and the input output. So this is very time taking job. I every time I just copy the whole questions, format it, and doing those things again and again. This is very time taking and boring job. So the idea came into my mind, just implement a simple but powerful web crawler, basically a lead code crawler that will crawls down all the questions, all the problem statement along with the input outputs and the company specific the related topics on these questions, and just boils down to and stores them into a single folder. And for this it will be very much easy for the future, any kind of future assignments. I just go down to the folder and read the problem statement and see my solutions. And it also track the questions that I have solved, and also that some of test cases failed. The bot is also capable of doing all these stuffs, and it is also in development phase. So I am quickly jump to the bot, and this is basically a Node.js. So for very simplicity, index.js is my executable file as always. So for this, the index.js, I am just talking about so much abstraction level, so that I just implement this kind of functions, and it just imports the modules from the scraper or the crawling module, that is my crawler modules, and the relative codes that will crawl through the website. So in this, the buffer I have, and I just read the whatever the user wants to crawls, and saves the website details. Basically user will be prompted with the questions that enter the lead code problem statement URL, and the scraper or the crawler will started hunting or started it operation to crawls through the whole website and just take my essential ones. So this is my scraper, and it is its entry point. So after entry point, you would say that the entry point code is this. So I just going to my scraper. This is my entry point, and this entry point, this is the first starting point of my crawler, and this crawler will runs through some of the modules that it require. So going back to the module space, this is my runner.js that will run and active my lead code modules to start picking up the things and just segregate or the segmented partially threaded all the sections from separate web workers, and all the web workers will concurrently perform their operations and write all the things into a markdown file. So this is my const runner, and it will scrap through all the data. So fetch from URL is going to fetch all the necessary details that I need to store that is relevant to me. I just specify them all. So this is my fetch from URL, and after fetching all the data, I just going to the from data to folder. That means I now creating the folders and importing the scrap data or the crawl data. So fetch from URL, so going to the fetch from URL, this is the whole lots of business logics that I need, and this is my fetch from data function. It will scrolls through and read through everything stuff and crawls through everything, and it return the scrolled parts, the HTML into the JSON format, and those JSON will goes to my data from data to folder function, and it will create my folder with the folder name with the problem statement link and the file name. Okay, and basically this is node.js, and it will write some the problem statement link and this and everything. It's hard to explain rather to create. And extraction is basically just extract from the bunch of details. Let's say this is like you have seen, this is not relevant to me, companies this is locked, which I don't require, related topics I require, similar questions I require. This is some types of get extraction level which I need to extract. Okay, and so let's see how the crawler in action. I start my executable file, which is no npm start. So as it started, you see enter the LeetCode problem URL. So I going to this is the friend cycle and 547, the problem number is 547. Okay, but first of all I want you to see that there are no folder naming the friend cycle and the 547. So and now see how the crawler will action. So yeah, and enter. So you see that the LeetCode crawler is on. LeetCode crawler started already hunting, and it will take some 5 to 6 seconds depending upon your internet connection, and maybe I have slow internet, so it's some taking time crawling through web pages and extracting the data what I generally require, what I need to store. So after few seconds, let's see. Yes, crawler reached the URI destination. It written down the solution.cpp file, which is my template. It also capable of writing a new file to the solution cpp, which is my basically contest template. Created the readme file, was saved, and it also writes the data URI, the data which are need to record, and this uses the cluster web worker architecture, and these are my web workers, that as my workers that will generally concurrently writes and scanning through the web pages, parsing the HTML and gets out the text and writing into the file. These are my 3 web workers. Okay, and now you can see I have friend 547. So coming to here, you see you have the solution.cpp file. This is my contest template for C++, and generally I use C++ in any kind of problem, and this is my problem statement. You see that sorry, and readme.5 I generally see the markdown. You see these are the expected and expected, these are not formatted, sorry. So you see you have the whole LeetCode stuff, LeetCode problem statement and everything into a single file, which is very much more convenient to look in your future assignment whenever it requires. So for whenever it requires, and this is my whole problem statement link. And to see this, I generally, when I upload the solution to my GitHub, then you can see that in the GitHub editor how it looks. It will create your readme file as well, which is very good for writing your solutions in GitHub. You can also know. So add readme file and paste it here, preview your file. So this is 547 friend cycle, which is the level of the problem is medium. You can find it from here, medium, the problem statement link and the problem statement, what the problem is generally want to what is the problem is all about, and then the example of input file, input, and it is basically the output format, and your constraint, how much the solution is accepted, and the submission of the solution to this problem. All the necessary details you would find here, and I hope this bot will help you everyone for solving the LeetCode problem and create this readme MD file. It is very much easy and much more fun stuff. So, and I think this video is also helpful for you, and thank you for watching the whole video, and let's see you for the next time. Thank you.